Since solar urban sensing has increased, NFT has to 100 increase. FT future 100% increase the dollars. Dollars actually stand under euro has increased the rent can decrease the gold has increased right now. In the US economy rebound seeks 3% growth in QT and the OpenAI audacious plan to make a flow like electricity bill. Swiggy files for IPO rises 3,750 crores via fresh issues. Okay, and two or three working women self-employed and PLFS. PM launches three Param Rudra supercomputers. Accenture's rises revenue growth guidance on financial year focus on more visibility on top tier locations. US Taffy uses the Chinese government flipping India. Okay. And traffic up to 100% on the key items from China takes effect on. So import from China 227 year 37% increase lithium ion, 0.7% increase lithium, aluminum ores and concentration 30 43% increased. Stringent engines needles as reduced and graphite as reduced. PFSI sector's valuation discounts are new higher. So big valuation discount at trade and books. Auto and 2.8 to 5.6 non-BFI, plus BFI 1.9 to 2.6. Earning and trend is and baseline has increased. Okay, banking, finance services, and insurances. The promoter dissolution in the small and mid cap surges. Big cap public expenditures may keep growth steady. Similar levels were last seen hearing for the exit, lower profit and dilution of IT, pharma among key sectors. Mm, Stake reduced, stake increased. So IT has increased, software has reduced, and pharmaceutical has increased. Refurbished premium phones are favored this way. This festival strict norms and vehicle credit card spending. iPhone, Samsung drives the demand of e-commerce space. The pickup in public expenditure may keep growth steady Finland. Storm, Finland's Sagal prepaid ocean services. Rizan logistics increasing power Mac projects Intel design arena easy trip plan. Amazon gives the fast and delivery in festival season. CBI books Fox King promoter film for working into actors travel company Fox King's husband. Thoroughly defines between plans for Mexican drug regulators. Okay, ministry forms tabs distribution banks to reap the biggest chunk. Focus on increasing viability on top tier locations. Top five private equity players invest in 9 billion in F1 expansion. No plan to list diagnostic com H1 health and care. Singapore court grants basic for one moratorium. Moratorium. The parent firm of Zurich has approached Singapore court for memorandum. Uh, The greenfield holder investment returns of pre-pandemic levels is H1 high. So greenfield, brownfield, convention, expansion of existing sign, total sign keys. Signing of keys. Brand of signing of keys each calendar year. So 2019, 23, 24, 22. Total signing of keys 20,000. 19, 12, 15. Surge fueled by expansion of tier 2, tier 3 diversities. Don't hold lenders make their verdicts as our Supreme Court advises. Tata PSMC seals a pact of good affluence. The space jet clears salary dues after rising 3,000%. Adding for consider rising fund next week. Just 3,000 knots. Try whitelist deadlines on pushing 30 days. And ISTRO QH name in the show CEO, chief new chief operational officer. The liquidation of jets only option lending to Supreme Court of recruitment. Hmm. The trade barrier within China will adversely impact TPC arms. The government to borrow 6.6 trillion in H2 financial year, about 47% growth target for recent 21 weeks. Plan in line with the bond market expectation. The Australian to offer 1,000 workers on the holiday visa starting in October. Karnataka withdraws not to CBI to province. Court can't allow PMLA to become ED stone. Government approaches NITI for 25% ethanol blend with the roadmap my high sugar PSM1. The Foreign Ministry choice says India is so far achieved nearly 14% blend. Weak gross refined margin to bottom up soon unless regulatory eye meeting Kurita adds festival spread. Online methods will tell us. International affiliation. Share of self-employed women increase from 57 percentage of self-employed having 59-69%. Helping his family for India need to do more to boost manufacture. Common odds minimum wages found up to 10353 million government of the minimum high. That was the variance there was allowance on adjustment. Was training for South Indian student usually fund scale worker is 780 rupees and non-semi skilled workers society man 68 rupees 40 rupees and unskilled workers as one without and with arms. Minimum wage rate for the skilled, highly skilled and watch mode with arms 1,026,910 per hour. India needs to do more to boost manufacturing. BFSI firms valuation up to 24% and average selling price on the peak for first segments may also. India faces a risk of Chinese good inflation. A low volume price, bright spot of economy, smaller mid-sized IT companies list to promoters. PM Modi inauguration 3 supercomputers or systems. DRDO IIT Delhi ties up the develops of lightweight bulletproof jackets. The state goes all around all investment for the earth among states are lowest global strength. Essential City Apollo partners who continue building private credit program Essential unveils 4 billion share buyback. We will be hiring more than India. It's a new nuclear doctrine warning of West Korea. US EU year 50 from Ukraine needs cheating Russian. NYC mayor indicates on bribery and purchase. Israel just case fire plans and series goes to crush Ebola. US economy rebound from pandemic sees 3% growth in UAE. China reports its economy with support of plans to deport the flower effects. Russia's plan to make A4 with electricity. Countless data centers will reservoirs and power to power the next generation in Assembly. Loose Federation of Home in data center development and possible investors and chip makers. Call for Emirates to fund multi-chip building companies considering at 14 billion. Reduce chip manufacture cost of complaints and discuss the opening and moving to 7.7% to profit sharing. China state government for the state equally share of IGS attendant. Assessing state capability under the GST simulation. E-based Concon workplace and where the new debate name. Delhi a subaltern state study of early independence. In jobless quarter of India here is not employed and education and training presentation need possibly. But the higher share in India than many star rating of vehicles get hammer laptop. The film successor goes to star and failure of directors. Government issues new advisory after the first capital stream. The highlighted from the Meta Connect, the Google introduced Gemini AI, Pixel, and Samsung launched Galaxy M1 Prime Edition. Meta Lotto stocks are drying the market. Mutual funds demand of for water the fish for the data community. Become the voice of investor patch to mutual funds. Premium finds 19.2 mistakes in first half. Hyundai deserves a better valuation than Maruti Nomura values. SEBI introduced fixed price processing for deal listing. Simplified reporting systems for participant launching UDIF. The move promotes being business plus security simple product India introduced things like different forms. Silver's IS 11 2012 and CTSL launches a new pricing structure. Indo crop science finds IPO papers are just 200. Diffusion engineers search for 7.5% weak signals were induced ever after the unfavorable Supreme Court were taken in China hits new high after a city by one. So the stocks of the retail power surged to 1454 last close. Retirement fund align equity debt mix with the risk potential horizon, shape returns alongside the equity allocation. Benefit to safety what you should do with the product cards in the no longer use.